In this video, we're going to look at one of the multidisciplinary databases that's available to you through the library web pages. This database is called Scopus. To access Scopus, you can either go through the A to Z list of databases, or you can go through your subject guide. I'm going to go to the subject guides, and I'm going to choose the subject guide for construction, surveying and real estate. On here, I'm going to go to the Journals and Databases tab and scroll down to the bottom where I'll see the link for Scopus. Here, I'm going to look for the topic of affordable housing using the speech marks and the truncation star symbol and search. So I just put in the key terms that I'm interested in and click on the option to search. This search has found nearly 4,000 results. So I might decide that I want to add in some additional terms to focus my search more. So if I go back a stage to my search results, and this time I'm going to put in and first-time buyers. There we go, first-time buyers. And do the search again. I've now gone down to 10 results. And if I come down, in the centre of the page, I've got the titles of the articles that it's found. And I'm also noticing that the term home ownership is appearing in a number of the results, home ownership. That might be an alternative term that I might want to use. So if I decide that I've actually narrowed it down too many, with only having the 10 results, I could go back and I could change that search from first-time buyers to home owner. And if I search again, I've now got 132 documents, which suggests that perhaps the term home owner is a better search term than first-time buyer. If I come down, I've got the results in the center of the screen that I can have a look at. Let's come down a bit further. I've also got my options on the left-hand side to use the filters to refine my search. So I could refine by years, as I've done in the past on library search. I could also refine by subject area. If I come down further, I've got the options to refine by country or territory. So it might be that I'm only interested in the UK resources. If I come down further, here I have an article on private renting in a home owning society, disaster, diversity or deviance, published in 2019 by the authors here. I've got the option to view the abstract, so I can click onto the abstract and it'll give me a summary of the document, so I can decide whether or not I want to pursue the article and read the full text. If I do want to read the full text, I can click on the option for shoe links, which will take me through to the library catalogue and give me the record for that. And here I have the link to go to that article. I've also got the option to just download the PDF. On the far right hand side, I've also got this figure here of 12. This is the number of times that the article that I am viewing has been used by other researchers in their work. It's called the cited by figure. So these 12 articles will have referred to my article in some way, and will therefore be related. So I might want to have a look at those 12 articles to see what newer research has been produced on the topic. This is called citation searching, and it's a really good way of finding more results on your topic from one key article. And here is that list of 12 related articles that I might want to pursue to find further related information. I could also have a look at the related documents, which would show all related documents based on the shared references. Again, might be useful for me. Other things that you might want to explore within Scopus is this option to analyse your search results. It will bring up a number of interesting tables and graphs. For example, you can see when the topic is being popular, when people have been writing about the topic. So you can see that 2020 was quite a popular year, as was 2018. Same information in a slightly different format. And if we come down further, we've got a table, a graph that shows the authors that are writing in the subject area. So you might want to follow up and see what other articles these authors have written. They might be on the same topic. You can have a look and see what institutions they're affiliated to, which areas, which institutions are doing the research in your topic, which might be interesting for you. So there are a few things in Scopus that you might decide you'd like to investigate further. In the next video, we'll have a look at incremental searching and some top search tips.